Ayan. So again, hi everyone. And we have here graphing of linear equations. So with the graphing of linear equations, let's say you are given 2x plus 7y is equal to 2. How are we going to have the graph of that one in our Cartesian plane? So, sir, parang meron pong lumabas na fraction. Yes, meron pong lumabas na fraction as your answer. Tama po ba? Because you're going to assign. Kailangan lang natin ng dalawang points. And for those 2 points, we'll be able to graph a line on our Cartesian plane. So, paano po ginawa natin? We assigned x to be 0 and look for its partner. And then we also assigned y to be 0 and look for its partner. So, yun lang naman po na magiging usapan natin dyan para ma-solve po natin yung mga kailangan natin for this one. Okay? So, ano po ang ginawa po ninyo? So, if x is 0, then we'll have the solution 2 times 0 plus 7y is equal to 2. Yung 2 times 0, pwede na natin siyang i-cancel out. Ano na lang po ang naiwan? We have 7y equals 2. O dahil 7y equals 2, we can divide both sides by the numerical coefficient which is 7. So divide both sides by 7. Therefore, you will have your value for y equal to 2 over 7. Naglagay po ako ng decimal dyan kasi mahihirapan tayong isipin kung ano yung 2 over 7. Kailangan natin siyang matansya nasaan siya doon sa ating graph. Okay? O, kung titingnan po natin, since it's 2 over 7 and that is equal to the decimal of 0.29, saan po natin mahanap si 0.29? O isipin po ninyo maigi. Saan mahanap si 0.29? Anong number siya pumapagitan? So 0.29 is in between 0 and 1. Very good. So if that is in between 0 and 1, so dapat doon natin makikita yung point natin mamaya. So ano na po yung ating given na coordinates for this? This will be 0 and 2 over 7. Okay? So again, if you have a fraction to be your answer, be sure you know how to convert that one into decimal. Next, what if y is equal to 0? What will be the value of x? So if y is equal to 0, the value of x will be 2x plus 7 times 0 equals 2. So ang lalabas po doon, we have 2x equal to 2 na lang kasi makakancel out po natin yung 7 times 0. So 2x is equal to 2. Ano nang gagawin? Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Ngayon, ang nangyari na lang po, madali lang siya, wala na naging fraction. Ano na ang coordinates natin? It will be 1, 0. So, paano na po natin ipa-plot yan? So, 0, ibig sabihin, for the first one, hindi po siya kumanan, hindi siya kumaliwa. Tama po? And then, since it's positive, we just need to go up. But since it's only between 0 and 1, so we just assume that the point is here. Ayan po. Ayan, nagkagulo na siya. So, nandiyan yung point natin. So, we assume that one. And then, since parang lumalabas, it's 0.3. And then, lastly, we have 1, 0. Ayan. So, kumanan, pero hindi na siya umangat or bumaba. So, draw the line na po natin. Ayan, kasi nag-paste na lang po ako, pasensya na, para meron tayong maayos na linya. Okay? So, that is the graph of the given linear equation 2x plus 7y equals to 2. Okay po? So, hopefully makatulong po ito sa inyo para maalala kung paano po ikagraph yung mga given sa atin.